we will see the situation described in ordinary language, and we will separate the variable and statements using expressions. Okay, see this is carefully. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. Here the variables are, let Amina have x variables, for example. Then the statement is Sarita has x plus 10 marbles. Understood? Sarita has 10 marbles. Then Amina. That means Amina has x marbles. Then we can make the expression as x plus 10 marbles Sarita have. Next, Balu is 3 years younger than Razu. For example, Raju's age will be x years. Then Balu's age is x minus 3 years because younger than Raju. That means x minus 3. Because he is twice as old as Raju. Let Raju's age will be x years. Then because age is 2x years because it is twice. Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Read it carefully. Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Let Raju's age will be x years. Then Raju's father's age is 3x because it is 3 times plus 2. Okay, because more than 2 years. Like this we have to formulate. And next one, how old will Susan be 5 years from now? Let y be the Susan's present age. Then after 5 years from now, Susan will be 5 plus y years old or y plus 5 years old. How old was Susan 4 years ago? Let y be. We can take any variable, x, y, z, you can take anything, a, b, c, anything. Let y be Susan's present age in years. Then 4 years ago, Susan was y minus 4 years old. The price of wheat per kg is 5 rupees less than the price of rice per kg. Let price of the rice per kg be p rupees. Then the expression will be the price of wheat per kg is p minus 5 rupees because it is 5 rupees less than, that means p minus 5 rupees. Okay, try to have all these examples in your mind for the next exercise. Exercise 11.4. Answer the following. A. Take Sarita's present age to be 5 years, y years. I'm sorry, it is y years. Okay. What was her age 3 years back? First one, for 3 years back, from now, it is y minus 3 years of age. For question number 2, it is the answer. Okay. Question number 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. That means age of her grandfather is 6y years. Okay. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Because we have the age of grandfather, age of grandmother is 6y minus 2 years. Okay. What is grandmother's age? This is the grandmother's age. Next, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So Sarita's age is 5y years. So 3y plus 5 years. Okay. Next question. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? Let capital T be the length of the rectangular hall. Then length is equals to 3b minus 4 meters, where b represents the breadth. Next question. A rectangular box has a height of h centimeters, h. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeters less than the length. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of the height. Height of the rectangular box is h. It is given. Therefore, the length is equals to 5h centimeters because it is 5 times. And the breadth is 10 times less than the length, 5h minus 10 centimeters. Okay? Because the length is 5h centimeters, it is 10 times less. That means 5h minus 10 centimeters. Next question. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Okay? Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead of Leena. And Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. There is no confusion. We will solve one by one. Don't worry. Meena is at step S. It was given. Therefore, Beena is at S plus 8 steps. Okay, because Meena is at step S. This is statement. Beena is 8 steps ahead. That means 8 plus S or S plus 8. And Leena is 7 steps behind. That means S minus 7 steps. Leena is at S minus 7 steps. The total number of steps is 4S minus 10 because the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Okay, that is 4S minus 10 because Meena is at S. So 4 times to Meena, 4S minus 10 because it is 10 less than. Okay. Question number 2. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in a cricket match, Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, we have to write Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim, like that. Okay. Question A. A notebook costs P. A book costs 3P. That means a book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook. See carefully, a notebook costs P. That means a book costs 3P. A book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook. Question B. Tony puts Q marbles on the table. How many marbles? Q marbles. He has 8 marbles in his box. That means Tony has 8 times the number of marbles put on the table by him. Try to understand carefully. Very easy to write down. C. Question number C. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. That means the school has 20 times the number of students in a class. Question number D. Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. That means Jaggu's uncle's age is 4 times his age and his aunt's age is 3 years less than the age of his uncle. Okay. Next. In an arrangement of dots, there are r rows. Each row contains 5 dots. We can write it as number of dots in a row is 5 times the number of rows. Okay. Question number 3. Given Munnu's age to be x years, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Given that Munnu's age is x years, x minus 2 years may be the age of her younger brother or younger sister. Can you guess x plus 4 may show? X plus 4 years shows the age of her elder sister or elder brother. What 3x plus 7 may show? 3x plus 7 years may be the age of her father or mother or uncle. Okay. Next question. Given Sarah's age today to be y years, how many y years? Think of her age in the future or in the past. What will be the following expression indicate? Y plus 7, y minus 3, y plus 4 and a half, y minus 2 and a half. Y represents Sarah's age in years. Y plus 7 shows her future age and y minus 3 shows her past age. And y plus 4 and a half shows her future age. That is age after 4.5 years. Y minus 2.5 shows her past age. That is the age before 2.5 years. Okay, good. Next question. Given n students in the class, they like football. What may 2n shows and what may n by 2 shows? Think of games other than football. This is the hint. Number of students who like football is equals to n. 2n is twice the number of football players may like to play cricket, and n by 2 is equals to half of the number of football players may like to play basketball. Okay, he has given the hint. With this we have completed exercise 11.3. Thank you.